The little bird told me over and over again, you haven't been truly happy since God only knows when. You'd better get back into that world of your own, where no one can hurt you and you won't be alone. Because home's where your heart is, and the heart of it all is you live in a pencil line, where hope spills for all. Because you cannot be happy without more time to play, so just climb back inside the picture. You'll find something to say. Just the way it is. I have a fundamental need, not to express myself, but somehow unthink myself.